Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix OneDrive error. Sorry, there is a problem opening or displaying this folder. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix OneDrive error, sorry, there is a problem displaying this folder. Right click on Start menu. Click on run. In run, just type this command. I'm just copying and paste the command, and I will give this command to the description. Just paste here in run. Local app data slash Microsoft slash OneDrive slash onedrive.exe and then space and then / reset. Now click on OK. Now resetting the OneDrive, and OneDrive reset has been completed. Now you can open your problematic folder. If you have problem with the first command, you can go for the second command, and if you have problem with the second command, you can go for the third command. I will give all these three commands in description. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.